Forests are often referred to as the lungs of our planet, providing us with oxygen, shelter, and countless resources. But what if one day, they were all gone? What if there were no forests left on Earth? How would this impact our world, our climate, and our very existence? Forests cover about 31% of the Earth's land area, hosting an estimated 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. They play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, cycling water, and providing habitat for millions of species. Forests are complex ecosystems that support an incredible variety of life forms. They are integral to the survival of countless species, including humans, who rely on them for food, medicine, and livelihoods. Without forests, the consequences would be catastrophic. The loss of biodiversity would be staggering, with countless species facing extinction. The intricate web of life that forests support would unravel, leading to ecological collapse. Forests act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere and mitigating climate change. Without them, carbon levels would skyrocket, accelerating global warming and causing more extreme weather events. Forests play a vital role in the water cycle, helping to regulate the flow of water, prevent soil erosion, and maintain water quality. Without forests, watersheds would be compromised, leading to severe water shortages and poor water quality. Forests influence local and global water cycles by maintaining moisture levels in the atmosphere. Their absence would disrupt these cycles, leading to unpredictable weather patterns and diminished freshwater resources. Forests provide countless resources that are essential to our economy and daily lives. Timber, paper, medicinal plants, and non-timber forest products all come from forests. The loss of forests would devastate industries and communities that depend on these resources. The global economy relies heavily on forest resources. The absence of forests would lead to economic instability, loss of livelihoods, and increased poverty, particularly in rural and indigenous communities. Forests also contribute to our health and well-being. They provide a space for recreation, mental relaxation, and are a source of medicinal plants. The loss of forests would impact our physical and mental health, reducing our quality of life. Exposure to nature, including forests, has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. Additionally, many modern medicines are derived from forest plants. Without forests, we would lose these health benefits and potential cures for diseases. While the idea of a world without forests is alarming, there is hope. Efforts to protect and restore forests are underway globally. From reforestation projects to sustainable forestry practices, people are working to ensure that forests continue to thrive. It's crucial that we continue to invest in and support conservation and reforestation efforts. Sustainable practices and policies can help preserve our remaining forests and restore degraded areas, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. In conclusion, forests are irreplaceable treasures that sustain life on Earth. Their loss would have far-reaching and devastating consequences. By understanding their importance and taking action to protect them, we can ensure a thriving, sustainable future for our planet. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of what would happen if there were no forests. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on environmental conservation and the future of our planet. Let us know in the comments how you think we can best protect our forests.